Hello. All right, I'm going to talk about questioning and go over this questioning practice. So and this is going to be linked on Canvas. You are going to be able to look through this. This is something we talked about in class about questioning and how that reading strategy works. So there are 3 times to question when you're reading when you're reading something. So the first time is before you actually start reading the text, while you're reading the text, and then after. Okay, so what you want to do before you start reading, when you're using the questioning strategy, is to read those comprehension questions first. So those questions that are given to you about the text. You're going to want to look at the title closely and then scan the text and start coming up with questions that you have about what you're about to read, and really think about what are you really trying to understand when you're looking for the text. We always want to read with purpose. Okay, so on your assignments and on the quiz, you're going to see a chart similar to this. Okay, what you want to do is any of those self-generated questions you come up with, you're going to want to list them on that My Questions side. After you're done reading, you're going to put in those answers. So that's just a nice, easy way to keep track of all of the questions that you have. All right, so during reading, you're going to want to make note of any questions that you come up with along the way. Okay, it could be something you're wondering, something you're confused about, like a vocabulary word. Okay, it could be maybe guesses on what you think is going to happen next, or it could be a feeling that's provided. You want to mark, along with writing your questions out to the side using that comment feature or writing them by hand, you're also going to want to mark any answers to the comprehension questions you have. After reading, you're going to want to answer the comprehension questions first, the questions provided to you. Then you're going to come up with your answers for the questions you asked at the beginning or along the way. And then you're going to want to record questions that you can answer with further research. So that means I'm going to need to step outside of the text to get those answers. It could be ask a teacher. It could be watch a video. It could be look up a definition or something in the dictionary or the internet. Okay, and then the last question you always want to ask yourself is, what was that all about? So really kind of leading you into that topic and main idea. So just a reminder, when do good readers ask questions? That's going to be before, during, and after reading. All right, so let's look at the assignment for today. I'm going to go to Canvas and click on questioning practice. Okay, if you are a virtual student, you're going to want to click on your group. Okay. We have Group A, Group B, and Group C. This is the advanced option. If you are not necessarily in Group C, but you would still like to read that advanced text, it's going to be 9th or 10th grade level. You can totally do that. I'm just going to click on Group A. Okay, Group A and Group B go to the same one. So this is what the text looks like. You're going to make a copy. All right, and then you're going to follow the instructions. When I have lots of instructions like this one on here, I like to mark through my instructions when I get done with something. That does make it kind of keep clear and be like, okay, well, I did everything I was supposed to. So the first thing it says is to read the comprehension question. So to do that, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the text, and I'm going to read through each question and make sure I know what I need to be looking for while I'm reading. All right, the next thing you're going to do is glance through the text and write down any questions you may have. Okay, you can use text features to help develop those questions. So text features, again, are going to be pictures, or they're going to be the title. Some of these are blue words, which means that they are bolded or stand out because they're a vocabulary word. So one of my questions might be, what does spectrum mean? Because that's one of those words that's listed. Okay, or maybe I want to know what electromagnetic radiation is. Okay, so once I've come up with a couple of questions, I'd say try to come up with 3 to start with. Okay, and once I've done that, I'm going to mark these off that I've done them so I don't go back and try to do them again. And now I'm going to start reading. So while I'm reading, I'm going to be looking for the answers to my questions If I find an answer, I'm going to highlight it or I'm going to mark it in some way. So when I go to answer those at the end, I know I've already got it. Okay, I'm also going to be mark any notes of questions I have while I'm reading. Okay, so I'm going to start reading the text. And let's say I know there's an answer in this first paragraph. Let's say it's this sentence. Okay, I'll actually do the one. The first answer is going to be found right here. Science tells us that light is the reason we are able to see objects. And I'm going to highlight it so I can come back later and copy that answer down. All right. Once I'm done reading, I've gone through, I've added at least 3 questions in the margin. So I want you to make sure that you're commenting on the side some questions. So maybe a question I might have is, how does this affect my life? Comment. So I've got my questions there. Once you're done with that, you're going to answer the comprehension questions. You're going to write any answers to your beginning questions. So if I figured out what spectrum means, I'm definitely going to write that down. And then I'm going to record any questions that require further research. Maybe I don't find out what the answer to what is spectrum means. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it in questions that need further research. Once you're finished with that, you're going to submit it on Canvas and then you'll be done.